Buongiorno paisani. Yeah, wait a minute. Okay, so I am at Kitchen 73, their first Saint Cassette 527, and they have a food truck over here. I don't know if you can see it. You see the food truck? There it is. There's the food truck, and so I'm having a nice beer, and I'm waiting for my fill it up. I'm waiting for my quesadilla. Allah, go to me. Gordo. That means on me. There's your Sicilian word of the day. Gordo. It means on you. Addosso in Italian. So that's it. Please come and support Ross and everybody here at Kitchen 73. We got a DJ. I know it's a little wet and raining, but you know what? We bring the sunshine. So come on down. I'm in a heated terrace. It's a beautiful view of cars driving by. And that's it. So come on down. It's Thursday. It's almost the weekend. Come for the Kitchen 73 Saint Cassette 527. With every consummation of alcohol, you get free food.
Cuckoo.
Yeah, you get free food. You get a choice of, let me tell you here, mini sandwich of pulled pork, pizza bruschetta, mini poutine, Italian sausage or with sauce of honey mustard, and mini Kitchen 73 quesadillas. I mean, come on, all those choices. For what? For a beer. You get a beer, you get a choice. So come on down and hang out with Kitchen 73, Big Mama Siciliana, e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!